Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Today I'm back again with another site visit and I'm taking you guys along. So come along with me guys, let me show you around. And at the end of the video, let me know what you think. And as always guys, remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So let me take you all on the inside. So this will be the entrance porch, and on top of the entry porch will be roof. So through the double wide doors you come into the foyer, and you have the stairs going up going to the second floor. So let me show you the stairs. So something different guys. So over to your left will be a dining room. And from the dining area, we go into the living area. So there will be some glass sliding doors that leads to the balcony. And here you'll have a pool deck, and the pool is going to be right here. So the pool is going to be in front, and you're going to have the pool deck with the gazebo. So back into the living area. So from the living area now we're going to go into the kitchen. So this is a big size kitchen. So you're gonna have an island in here. So from the kitchen you can look straight into the living area. And beneath the stairs you're gonna have the pantry. So from the kitchen we're gonna head straight into the garage. So this is a one-car garage. And from the garage we're gonna go into the laundry area. So this is the laundry area. So we're now back into the kitchen. Let me show you the high ceilings. So high ceilings for ventilation and give the room the effect that it's bigger than what it is. So this is a bedroom downstairs, and as you can see it's not slab, so this is gonna have roof on it. This bedroom will have roof on top of it. and it opens out into onto the deck area, and the pool will be down there as I said before. So back into bedroom number 1. So bedroom number 1 has a walk-in closet, and its own bathroom. Bumped my head just now. So let me take you guys upstairs. So we're now in the foyer area, and as you can see, that window will admit light into the foyer. So let me take you upstairs. You have wide stairs, and you will have the lights going up the stairs. So let me take you to bedroom number 2. So you can see bedroom number 2 is pretty large. So there is a reach-in closet. And there's a bedroom, sorry, there's a bathroom. So this will be a shared bathroom because, as you can see, there's a doorway that leads to the bathroom. So there's 2 doorways that leads to the bathroom. One from out there, one from the gallery area, and one from the bedroom. So bedroom number 2 have its own balcony. I'm just gonna show you that view. So I'm gonna take it to bedroom number 3. So this is the 3rd bedroom. So there's a walk-in closet, smaller walk-in closet. And this is a bathroom. So now I'm gonna take it to the master bedroom. I saved the best for last. So this is the master bedroom, guys. Let's give you a view of the master bedroom. And from the master bedroom, you have his closet, his walk-in closet, and you have her walk-in closet. So this is a master bath. So the toilet room is going to be over there. And the shower is going to be on this side. And in that window right there will be the tub. You're gonna have the double vanity on that wall over there. So let me take you back to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom, and this is the balcony to the master bedroom. So you have those columns that goes all the way down to the ground. So you have two of them. So this will be a covered balcony. And let me show you that view. So you're looking right down into Black River, right down into Treasure Beach, Great Bay. You probably can see as far as Savlamar. So you will have that open space that looks down into the fire. So let me take you back downstairs. So as you can see, everything is open, wide open space. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and as always, thanks for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.